Hey everyone, welcome to Health Informer. No diet can cure arthritis, but certain foods have been shown to strengthen bones, keep the immune system healthy and fight inflammation. By including these foods in your balanced diet, you may find that you experience less pain and other symptoms of arthritis. In this video, we are sharing with you the 12 best foods for arthritis. Let's get started. Number 1. Consume plenty of fish. Experts recommend eating at least 3 to 4 ounces of fish twice a week, since certain types of fish are loaded with inflammation-fighting omega-3 fatty acids. There are several fish high in omega-3 fatty acids, including salmon, tuna, mackerel, and herring. Number 2. Step up to soy. Not a fan of fish, but still want omega-3 fatty acids to help fight inflammation. Try tofu or edamame, which are heart-healthy soybean foods. Also, soybeans are low in fat, high in protein, and high in fiber, making them an all-around healthy food. Number 3. Opt for oils. Extra virgin olive oil is loaded with heart-healthy fats as well as oleocanthal, which has properties similar to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Extra virgin olive oil contains heart-healthy fats and oleocanthal, a compound that acts like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. However, it isn't the only oil with health benefits. Avocado and safflower oils are cholesterol-lowering, while walnut oil has 10 times the omega-3 fatty acids as olive oil. Number 4. Check out cherries. According to research, cherries can reduce the frequency of gout attacks. Research has shown that cherries are associated with anti-inflammatory effects due to their anthocyanin content. Besides strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries, anthocyanins are also present in other red and purple fruits. Number 5. Don't ditch the dairy. Calcium and vitamin D, which help strengthen bones, are abundant in low-fat dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese. Calcium and vitamin D work together to support the immune system and promote bone density. Try other calcium and vitamin D-rich foods, such as leafy green vegetables, if dairy doesn't agree with you. Number 6. Bet on broccoli. Besides containing vitamins K and C, broccoli also contains a compound called sulforaphane, which researchers have found may slow the progression of osteoarthritis. In addition, broccoli is also rich in calcium, which helps strengthen bones. Number 7. Go green with tea. It is packed with polyphenols, an antioxidant that is believed to reduce inflammation and slow cartilage degeneration. Furthermore, studies have shown that another antioxidant in green tea, called epigallocatechin 3-gallate, inhibits the production of inflammatory molecules that cause joint damage in sufferers of rheumatoid arthritis. Number 8. Suck on some citrus. Vitamin C is abundant in citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and limes. Getting the right amount of vitamins can help to prevent inflammatory arthritis and maintain healthy joints with osteoarthritis. Number 9. Go with the grain. The consumption of whole grains lowers blood levels of C-reactive protein. The CRP marker is associated with inflammatory conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and rheumatoid arthritis. Grains such as oatmeal, brown rice, and whole grain cereals are excellent sources of whole grains. Number 10. Break out the beans. Beans are high in fiber, a nutrient that lowers CRP levels. In addition to being a fantastic and inexpensive source of protein, beans are also essential for healthy muscle growth. The antioxidant properties of folic acid, magnesium, iron, zinc, and potassium found in some beans contribute to their heart-healthy benefits. The best beans to choose are red beans, kidney beans, and pinto beans. Number 11. Grab some garlic. People who ate foods from the allium family daily, such as garlic, onions, and leeks, had fewer symptoms of early osteoarthritis, according to research. The component diallyl disulfide present in garlic, according to researchers, may help human cells resist cartilage-damaging enzymes. Number 12. Nosh on nuts. Protein, calcium, magnesium, zinc, vitamin E, and immune-boosting alpha-linolenic acid are all found in nuts, as well as satisfying protein and fiber. They're good for your heart and can help you lose weight. Walnuts, pine nuts, pistachios, and almonds are all good choices. I hope you found this video useful and informative. Please like this video and be sure to subscribe, because more incredible content is on the way. Thanks for watching.